The Toyota RAV4. Refined and individual, it fuses true SUV character with style and technology. A unique combination of high torque and low emissions makes the RAV4 the go-anywhere vehicle, perfectly suited to both country roads and city streets. Inside, the luxurious, spacious interior has been perfectly designed around you and is packed with useful technology. It's as refined and individual as the people who drive it. So let's take a closer look at what makes the RAV4 so different from any other SUV. Thanks to its unique design, the RAV4 has a lower weight and centre of gravity, while both chassis rigidity and driver visibility have been improved. Both 2- and 4-wheel drive versions are available. The result is an SUV that can take you anywhere in style, safety and comfort. A powerful design with a real road presence, the RAV4's strong body draws the eye from the elegant front LED headlights along the bold silhouette. At the rear, the RAV4 features unique LED tail lights, producing a look that's individual and refined. The distinctive and sophisticated interior is contemporary, well laid out, and packed with technology to help you on your journey. This dynamic model is available with a JBL premium sound system and Toyota Touch 2 multimedia, including navigation. RAV4 drivers will want to stay connected, so there's smartphone integration, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The screen here also displays information about how the self-charging hybrid system is making the best use of your energy. Let's take a closer look at how this works in the RAV4 to give you a unique combination of torque and low emissions. The 2.5-litre engine is coupled with a powerful electric motor and seamlessly switches between petrol and electric power to optimize driving performance. Energy, which is normally wasted when you brake, is harnessed automatically, putting power into a battery. It's truly a self-charging hybrid. This is then fed back when needed to make sure you get power and responsiveness together with exceptional economy. There's no need to plug in or stop. That's good news for your pocket. According to the official fuel consumption figures, the new RAV4 will stretch each gallon of fuel for between 47.8 to 48.7 miles. If you're a company car driver, it also means lower tax bills, thanks to CO2 emissions from 131 to 134 grams per kilometre. And with an automatic gearbox as standard, even driving in traffic is easy and stress-free. The hybrid system also gives our RAV4 all-wheel drive without the need for a weighty extra transmission. Let's look in closer detail how that works. All-wheel drive gives great traction in tricky situations such as snow or mud, as well as giving improved handling and a sportier feel in normal driving. An engine and electric motor power the front wheels in most driving situations, but the RAV4's all-wheel drive system uses a second motor to power the rear wheels too. When the system detects the front wheels might be losing grip, the rear motor automatically helps out. It ensures grip, but also means the RAV4 has a unique combination of torque and low emissions in all road conditions. The RAV4 will help you to keep safe too. Toyota's Safety Sense technologies are the result of decades of research and are fitted as standard. Let's take a look at the list of technology you can rely on in the RAV4. It includes an advanced pre-collision system, emergency steering assist, road sign assist, and intelligent adaptive cruise control. The dynamic model also features rear cross traffic alert with brake assist. So even if you aren't thinking about safety, you can be sure your RAV4 is looking out for you and your passengers. Refined and individual, the RAV4 fuses true character with style and technology.